Lifelong learners, it is fantastic to be back. I just got back from the Idul Fitri holiday here in Indonesia. I was in Jember, and then I got back to my house that I just moved into. All my things are moved over, but nothing is organized yet. As you can see at the beginning of this video, I walked you up the stairs. There were some things laying around, and then I walked into a room which I'm going to turn into my office. It's already got my bookshelf in there, but I need to fill it up still, and I'm very excited about that. But as you could also see, I'm sitting on this lovely balcony where I can read a book, drink a coffee, make a video. I'm so excited about this new house. It's much more comfortable than the previous house that I was living in. It has a lot more room, and it's got this beautiful balcony and my own office where I can really get some deep work done. So talking about deep work, last month in the month of May, I challenged myself to write for 30 days. No matter how small amount or big amount that I wrote, as long as I wrote something, that would count for the 30 days. Now, I was a bit disappointed because I only ended up writing 20 days out of the 30 days. So I missed 10 days, but partly because I was in the process of moving. But regardless of whatever you're doing in your life at the time that you want to do this challenge, I believe that it's a fantastic challenge to do because you're testing yourself on the commitment that you have towards that habit that you want to create. And that habit for me is writing. I want to be able to create a writing habit because I do writing often enough, whether it's at the school that I work at, or whether it's on my blog, or whether it's in the book that I'm writing. Shh, don't tell anyone yet because I haven't told anyone. But now you all know. But yes, writing is a pretty tough habit to create because writing takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of brain power. It takes a lot of brain power and consistency. So I encourage you to try and take up this challenge. Now, it will take a lot of consistency and commitment, but if that habit that you want to create is worth it, you will definitely go out there and achieve the 30-day challenge. You will get a better score than I did. 20 out of 30? Come on, guys, you can beat that. So get out there, challenge yourself, whatever it may be, whether it's writing or reading, whether it's exercising or cleaning the house, whatever your challenge is, go out and do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Also follow my other social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for more valuable content. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you guys next time.